Good morning, afternoon, evening. Not sure when you're catching this, but hopefully you are. Today, I've got something pretty cool. Electrified Harley Davidson. Cue the banjo. This is the Harley Davidson Livewire. It's got a 78 kilowatt motor on it. That's 105 horsepower. It goes to 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. 60 to 80, 1.9 seconds. Top speed, 96 miles per hour. And in city range, this can go 146 miles. It's got a 15.5 kilowatt hour battery to it. That's a little bit of a big battery. Actually, it's one of the biggest batteries in the industry. And the bike weighs 549 pounds. That's all in, liquids and everything. Speaking of liquids, the motor on this and controller is liquid cooled. The battery is air cooled. It actually has some cooling ducts in front of the bike underneath this faux gas tank right here that funnel air down into the fins of the battery right there. You can see them. Now, this battery has a 5-year unlimited mile warranty on it, and you can charge this battery with a level 3 DC fast charger from 0 to 80% in 40 minutes. Full charge in 1 hour. Level 1, you can charge this in 10 to 11 hours. This bike will connect to your phone. You can get turn-by-turn directions. You can get event locations, vehicle status, and even stolen vehicle monitoring if you need it. It comes with 4 modes on it. It has sport, road, range, and rain. It also has 3 customizable modes if you so desire. Now, up front, this bike has twin disc, monoblock, Brembo 4-piston brakes. In the rear, you have 1 single disc Brembo brake. It's got show shocks in the rear and in the front. This is a cool bike. This bike holds true to the Harley Davidson design language. It shows you everything. All the mechanics up front out there for you to admire and respect. Now, this bike, probably not cheap, $29,000 plus of retail, but it's a great city dweller. You're going to have fun on it. It's quick, and you're going to have a good time on this bike.
It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. I mean, not Wi-Fi, Bluetooth.
It's got Bluetooth, everything. It has a USB-C charger somewhere
on the side.
connection.
It's on the side.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if you didn't know where it'd be.
Yeah, it's on the side somewhere. I found it one day and I lost it. It's somewhere up in here.
Yeah.
But it's there.
People talked about it. It's somewhere on the bike.
Yeah, it's on here. It took me forever to find that thing.
There it is.
You know, it does all kinds. It can adjust the seats, the traction for your weight. You know, you got all this adjustment that goes on right there too.
Is it all manual adjustment?
Yeah, I think I just turn it.
Yeah.
You can actually raise it up. I got it as low as it can go because I'm kind of short, but you can adjust it higher.
Okay, what do I do?
Okay, so lift the kickstand. Okay, now you want to turn it on right there.
Right here?
No, right here. You're going to feel it. All that's going to go green.
Oh, yeah.
You feel it?
Yep,
now
absolutely.
You go.
No kidding, that's it.
That's it.
No gears, no nothing.
No nothing. You ask, it gives.
Oh my goodness.
It can go.
Just like any electric vehicle, you give this thing the throttle, and it's amazing. It's immediate torque. You know, it handles really good. I'm in a tight space right here, and this thing is really, really nimble. It's not, you don't feel it. You would think it'd be top heavy, but it's not. It's not top heavy at all. It's got good power, and it maneuvers around. I can see how this would be a great little thing to do in the city. This is amazing.
Yes.
It's got all the standard features of the bike. All the pedals are the same. You know, you got your rear brake, you've got your front brake. Everything's pretty much the same. You just don't have a clutch lever.
No, it's only give you one brake on one side, so you don't get confused. You notice that?
Yeah.
It only gives you the brake on the braking side.
Everything's in place. The only thing's missing is the clutch lever.
Right.
You know, you still got your rear brake over here.
Yeah.
You know, and you've got your front brake over here.
Yeah.
All the controls are exactly where you expect them to be.
Right. Except you only get one brake on the front.
Right.
Like you said, no clutch lever. Yeah.
Yep. No clutch.
Yeah.
And
once you put that down, it automatically turns off.
yeah, you put the
can't make a
kickstand down,
mistake.
it goes off.
Yeah.
And quite honestly, when you're riding on it, the internal braking, or it doesn't have that. When you let go of the throttle, it just doesn't slam you down.
Nope.
Like a car would.
Yeah.
It gets really aggressive.
Right. It's just ease.
Yes, exactly. Wow, that's
nice.
amazing.
And it did a good job. Too bad it wasn't just popular. I think it's gonna be popular later.
Yeah, what do you think? What do you think they'll have to do to make
Price, but they already lowered the price. They changed it already. They got it's called the live one. They took the Harley Davidson off of it. So I think mine's gonna be worth a lot now.
Oh yeah, if you had the first edition.
The first edition, yeah.
So they put in an entry level model maybe, or something like that.
Yes, an entry level model.
Is it the same 78 kilowatt motor?
I don't know. That I don't know. You have to look it up.
You'll have to look it up, right?
Livewire 1. Quite sure they cut some cost somewhere. Because this one you could tell they went all out on this. They didn't cut any cost on this.
The finish on it is all the fit on it is great. Look at this, how all this stuff comes together.
Yeah.
There's nothing sloppy really on this bike.
No, it's a nice bike. Just pricey, like you said.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain.